Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the documents companies don't really want you to read, but we read them anyway. Today, we're cracking open an 8K filing from enCore Energy Corp. And before you fall asleep, no, it's not another boring mining report. There's something quite interesting about their updates on leadership and future plans, so let's dig in and see what's brewing. This 8K form is dated March 6, 2025. This is a current report, meaning it is for informing investors about an important event that has just happened. This helps them stay up to date. enCore Energy Corp is the company we're diving into. They're based in British Columbia, Canada, but their main office is in Corpus Christi, Texas. This part is just some legal housekeeping and not important to us. Here's what's being traded. They're common shares, which are shares everyone can buy, and they trade under the symbol EU. You can find them on the Nasdaq stock market and the TSX Venture Exchange. Now we are getting into the meat of the filing. This section refers to something called Regulation FD, which is all about making sure companies give information to everyone at the same time. enCore Energy released a press release on March 6, 2025. This press release contains corporate updates. This report will include the information from that release. So, to summarize, enCore Energy released a press release that contains updates, so the company is following the rules by sharing it with everyone through this form. This filing was signed by Robert Willett, who is the acting Chief Executive Officer and Chief Legal Officer. He is wearing a lot of hats there. Now, let's step back and get a broader view of enCore Energy. They're in the uranium business, which is pretty hot right now given the increasing interest in nuclear power. They're working on getting uranium from the ground using a method called in situ recovery, or ISR. It's less disruptive than traditional mining. The price of uranium has been climbing, making companies like enCore Energy much more interesting to investors. So what does all of this mean? Is this company worth your investment dollars? Let's find out. Alright, let's give our take on enCore Energy. First off, the fact that they're in the uranium sector is a big plus right now. Nuclear power is making a comeback as countries look for cleaner energy sources, and uranium is the fuel. enCore's in situ recovery method is also a positive, as it's generally cheaper and has a smaller environmental footprint than traditional mining. But it is hard to ignore the fact that Mr. Willett is wearing two very important hats. Is there no one else available to fulfill those positions? What are they doing to find capable people to take on these roles? This might be something that the company's leadership should focus on. However, enCore Energy, like any company in the resource extraction business, faces its share of risks. Uranium prices can be volatile and regulatory hurdles can be significant. Getting permits for mining projects can take a long time, and there's always the risk of accidents or environmental issues. There's also competition with larger, more established players in the uranium market. Overall, enCore Energy is a company with a lot of potential, but it's not without its risks. If you believe in the future of nuclear power and are willing to take on some risk, it might be worth a look. However, it's essential to do your own research and consider your own investment goals before making any decisions. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.